Write cos of 2A in terms of tan of A. Hence or otherwise find tan of A, where tan of A is an acute angle, if cos of 2A is 5 over 13. Do not use a calculator. So we're going to go to page 14 of our formula tables, and we will see this formula. Cos of 2A equals 1 minus tan squared A divided by 1 plus tan squared A. So the reason that I'm choosing this formula is because we were asked to write cos of 2A in terms of tan of A. So we have cos of 2A in terms of tan of A. So what we're going to do is choose a letter. It can be any letter. You could go with X, but usually we go with T. And we're going to let T equal tan of A. So we're going to swap every tan of A in our formula for T. So then we get cos of 2A equal to 1 minus tan squared A divided by 1 plus tan squared A becomes 1 minus t squared divided by 1 plus t squared. So tan squared A becomes t squared, tan squared A becomes t squared. So then cos of 2A is equal to 5 over 13. So therefore we're going to swap cos of 2A with 1 minus t squared divided by 1 plus t squared. So this is all equal to 5 over 13. Next we're going to cross multiply. So 1 minus t squared multiplied by 13 gives us 13 minus 13t squared. And 1 plus t squared multiplied by 5 gives us 5 plus 5t squared. Then we're going to rearrange to get the t's on one side and the numbers on the other side. So 13 minus 5 is 8. And 5t squared plus 13t squared is 18t squared. Then dividing across by 18, we get t squared equals 8 over 18, which is 4 over 9. So if t squared is equal to 4 over 9, then we bring the squared over the equal sign and it becomes square root. The square root of 4 is 2, the square root of 9 is 3. So t is equal to 2 over 3. Thus, tan of A is 2 over 3. It's important to note that letting t be equal to minus 2/3 is not possible. So when we bring the squared over the equal sign, it becomes a square root. And technically, the square root of 4 is plus or minus 2. And technically, the square root of 9 is plus or minus 3. So you could say technically, t is equal to minus 2 over 3 also. But it's not possible in this case because A, the angle, is acute. So for example, if we were to do tan to the power of minus 1, so the inverse function of tan minus 2 over 3, we would get minus 33.7 degrees, which is not possible. But what is possible is the inverse function of tan, 2 over 3, which gives us positive 33.7 degrees.